God. All right, let's go. Oh, you like the snow, Mary? Ooh, yeah, be careful. Let's go down. Oh my God. This is our first time out today. Oh, Mary's gonna pee right here. It is snowing and it's still snowing. It's already snowed like a foot of snow. Let's wait for Mary. All right, come on, go this way. Oh my God. She loves the snow. I hate it. Oh, poor Mary. Are we gonna make it? She is like, oh, hell no. What do you think, Mary? Do you want to go back inside? I can't believe this. Wow. She's following in my footsteps. Poor Mary. Come on. It is gotta be, yeah, at least a foot of snow, at least. And it's still coming down. I'm gonna let Mary go. I don't think she could run. What do you think, Mary? That snow's gonna fall on you. You pull that branch. Hold on, Mary. Mary, wait. Mary, the snow is deep. Can you make it? No, we're not going in there. Come on, Mary. Look how deep it is. Oh my God. Hold on, Mary. I won't be driving anywhere today. Okay, it is getting cold out here. Come on, we have to go this way. Come on, we're gonna make it. Poor Mary. Come on. Yep, just jump. Come on. It's deep. All right, come on. You got snow all over you. Not that way. Come on. We're not going that way either. It's still snowing. You ready to go back in? Thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on, Mary. We're going inside to the fireplace. No, no. Come on.